Hi everybody! Welcome to the video for week 5 for my project life. Let's start with the most intricate card for this week, and that is my week card. I choose 2 of the design papers from the Adventure Kit that I'm still using, and I'm cutting these to size. I want to play with my stencil a bit for this card, but before I start, I'm going to attach the one paper to the other so that I know that it will be on the right place. Now that they're together, I'm grabbing my stencil that I cut out with my Cricut Maker, and I'm taping it to the table with some washi tape so that it will not move. Then I'm taking some of my VersaMagic ink. I believe this one is in the Malted Mauve, and then I'm going to add it to the paper through the stencil so that you can get the hexagons on the paper. I want to add some shine to the paper card as well, so I'm also adding some of the Galaxy Gold, also one of the VersaMagic inks. Next, I'm adding some of the washi tape to make kind of a base for the rest of the card. And then I'm going through the labels to pick out one that I want to use on this card. I left a small gap on the right side behind the label so that the girl can fit nicely in there. I'm going through the embellishments to see if I can add something else, and then I'm picking out this semicircle to keep behind the head of the girl. I'm going through several of my alpha stickers that I own before I decide on using these teal ones because they fit nicely with the label color. Before I stick down the alphas, I'm first gluing down the girl and the label so that I know exactly how much space I have for the sticker. I'm finishing this card by adding some enamel dots to the left top corner. I kept the rest of the photos on this page very basic. I'm only adding some design paper, some labels and some stickers. First, I'm going through the word stickers and the rubber embellishments for this photo in the left top corner of this gorgeous sunset, and I decide to use the rubber embellishments that say document and moments, and then I find a sticker that says magical. So together it spells out document magical moments, and I think that fits perfectly. I'm adding some of the design paper, just a strip of it, the same that I used as the background in the week card, and I'm adding the words on top of that. For the collage photo of the match day, I'm cutting out a design paper to make it the size of the pocket, so 3 by 4, and then I'm cutting out the collage photo so that I only have the photos left, and I'm adding it to the card. This last photo is of my new Easy Press machine, and I'm using the rubber embellishment that says "You are mine." I found it a bit earlier when I was going through the embellishments. I'm also going through the labels to find one that works, and I end up with this Hexagon label that fits well with also the hexagons on the other card. I'm also adding some washi tape, and I'm grabbing the week card as well to make sure that the washi tape is on the same height, since these cards are next to each other. The other side of this weekly spread is a scrapbook layout that I made off camera. And I just want to thank you so much for watching. I hope I was able to inspire you. Leave me a like and don't forget to follow me. Bye!